Hey there, Sean Bailey, and welcome to this video today where I'm going to take you through part of a presentation that I did before, and I've broken it down kind of into three parts. So I'm going to be releasing a couple videos in regards to this so you can get the entire thing, but I want to break it into some nice manageable pieces for you here. So the first one is going to be about simple money-making sales funnels, how you can copy them. I'm going to give you a look inside some of the sales funnels that I use for information products, also for my consulting funnel as well, consulting funnel that I had set up before. So you'll see inside of both these funnels, they'll kind of give you some info about it. You can take a look. You'll see some proof from some of the sales that I've actually made from my info product funnels. As well as I will take you inside and show you the exact consulting funnel, like some of the numbers that it's generated. As well, you'll see I'll show you inside my kind of like my funnel automation, and you'll see right when somebody comes from YouTube how they get into the funnel and start receiving some emails, and then what happens once they engage and then go ahead and buy from me. And the great thing about that is that it's just once that's set up, it just happens automatically, and I don't really have to do anything. I'll also give you some other information on how you can go and kind of do some funnel research of your own. And yeah, I'll take you inside that presentation. Let's jump over there right now.
Hey there, it's Sean Bailey, the Sales Funnel Nerd. Welcome to this first video in the series where I'm going to show you secret number one, simple money-making sales funnels and how you can copy them to sell your own products or get your own high-paying clients. Let's jump right into it.
Before we go any further, I just want you to let you know who this works for. Now, anybody who's selling physical products or information products, just the other day I had a woman from Detroit go and buy 4 of my products in one sales promotion. She took everything that was available, and I was able to view and see all this information about her because of the product that she bought. And you're going to see some of that here in this video. This information is great for coaches or speakers. I've actually been asked to do interviews because of the videos and content that I put out in regards to sales funnels. If you're a consultant, I've actually done some consulting work for a guy over in Switzerland. Now, there's a crazy time difference between us, so it's like almost impossible for us to talk live, but that's the thing with consulting. I've got people that are coming to me because they see that I'm an expert and want to get this stuff done, and I have a sales funnel in place that does all of that. So if you're selling any kind of service of any kind, sales funnels are for you. That's why I say that every business needs a sales funnel. I just want to give you a quick little tease here and show you a little bit of proof. Now, this is emails that come to me every time I make a sale through Stripe. Stripe is an online payment processor. It's kind of like PayPal. And these are all sales that have come in from cold traffic. What that means is these people have saw some type of content of mine, saw me demonstrating my expertise, clicked on the link because they wanted to know a little bit more, get some more information from me, and then wound up buying one of my products. And I didn't have to do anything. And this is just because I had some content in place on the internet that led to a sales funnel that did the rest of the work. Now, before we go any further, I got to give you a quick legalese disclaimer here. Please don't interpret any of this presentation as some sort of promise or implication of your future earnings. This isn't some kind of, I guarantee you're going to make money, click a button, you don't have to do anything, and money's going to fly out your computer. My results are not typical. I've been doing this for a long time, 9 years now, and so I've got a bit of an advantage as a result. And the average person who buys any type of building course, any type of self-improvement course, rarely gets any result at all because they usually don't take action. This stuff is all kind of hard, and it takes some work and some risk, but I promise you it is definitely worth it. So now that we got that out of the way, let's talk about what we're going to cover here today. So secret number one is we're going to cover some simple money-making sales funnels and how you can copy them to sell products or get paying clients. I'm going to show you that. Secret number two is you're going to see how to build a sales funnel in less than 5 minutes, even if you have zero technical experience. And secret number three is you're going to see the free sales funnel building tools you can use to build your online business at zero cost. I think you're really going to dig that part. So let's get right into it with secret number one here. Some simple money-making sales funnels and how you can copy them to sell your products or get some paying clients into your business. Before we start off, let's talk about a sales funnel here. Now, a sales funnel is a series of web pages that you send people through in order to get a specific response. Now, some people might think, well, I don't understand how a sales funnel is going to work for me. I want to just tell you a quick little story here because the first dollar I ever made online was just with a crappy little 2-page sales funnel. But the thing is that it made me money. For every dollar that I put in, essentially I got $3 back. And it was awesome. So let's have a look at some of my sales funnels laid out here. So here's one for an information product. When we're talking about information products, here's the example of the sales funnel. Nothing hardly to it at all here. 3 web pages that I use. First initial page gets them into the sales funnel. Then I offer them, I have a quick video that offers them an additional product if they want to actually get a paid product. And then I've got an upsell to get maximum value out of this person that went through my sales funnel. Now here you can see here's the sales from that actual sales funnel. People, when they opt in there, they get presented with an immediate offer, and then from there it takes over. It can be anywhere from $7 up to $47 just because they came into that sales funnel, and it all works automatically for me. So like I say, this is all sales from cold traffic. Now, can you imagine what it's like when you log into your email account and see that you've got another email from Stripe saying that you made another sale? Isn't that awesome? Now this one here, this is my consulting funnel. But it was actually so long on the message on the first page that I had to chop it in half in order to kind of squeeze it onto this slide so you could see it at all without having it super squished. So it's actually on the one side, that's actually one page on the left-hand side there, and then on the right is the thank you page that tells them what to do next. And all of these people then have to come to me. I don't have to chase them. There's instructions on how they have to apply if they want to talk and work with me as far as consulting. So by the time they get to me, I don't have to worry about them wasting my time. These people are genuinely interested, and more often than not, it leads to me doing some work with them. So that's how my consulting funnel is laid out. 2 simple pages, super easy. Now, can you see yourself doing this? Having 2 pages set up like this, set up to have someone apply to want to work with you and give you money because they understand that you are an expert. What would this be like if this happened to you? Now here you can see I've got different sales items set up here. When they work with me, as far as my consulting funnel bringing in business, it can be anywhere from $49 all the way up to higher packages are $900 and $1,000 for them to get me to create a sales funnel for them or do some type of work. But by the time they get to that point, they understand what kind of stuff I can do, and they really want to work with me, so I don't have to chase these people. These are people who are applied and people who are essentially chasing me. So what would that be like if you had people chasing you to work with you, to buy products from you, or to hire you as a consultant? That's what you can do with a consulting funnel. Isn't that great? Isn't that awesome? All right, let's move on to the next one here. So you might be thinking, okay, so how do I see a successful sales funnel in action? So I want to give you some more information here. So if we look at that information product funnel, these are all sales that are coming in. Now, this is how I know everything that's going on with this funnel. So I'm going to zoom in even farther so you can see this here. So here it actually starts out from the bottom and then works its way towards the top here. So step number 1, like I said, this is all cold traffic. This comes because someone saw a video on YouTube and then they clicked on the link in the description. Step number 2, they came into my funnel and started receiving the automatic emails coming out because everything's automated in the sales funnel. And then step number 3 is that they engaged with these emails, meaning they opened the emails, they had a look inside, they clicked, and then they went over and then bought the product because of the description that they read. Whatever they read in the email was enough to get them to go over and make the sale. And I didn't have to do anything. It all started at YouTube and ended up with money in my account and Stripe sending me another email saying that I had made a sale. Now, is that great or what? Imagine if you get those kind of emails. I promise you they're great. Imagine waking up in the morning, going downstairs, logging into your email, and then seeing emails from Stripe or emails from PayPal. It's great. It's a wonderful feeling. I hope this is all making sense. I'm trying not to go too fast. This is a lot of technical stuff. We're going to delve into it. And I hope that I'm going to answer all of your questions as we go through here. So the nice part about this is all I have to do is just rinse and repeat. Now, this is all, like I say, this is all cold traffic that I have coming in. I can go and advertise. I can have other funnels set up. This is how my information product funnel works. Now let's take an even deeper look in here to some working sales funnel and how you can get some free information and learn even more about sales funnels. Step number 1 is you want to go over to ClickBank and you want to go into their affiliate marketplace and have a look at the products here listed. And you'll see them listed out on the left-hand side here. Now these are your hot niches. When you're looking for products that are selling, if it's on ClickBank, it means it's a product that's selling. It means it's a niche that's out there that people are interested in. Now, step number 2 is you pick one of those niches, go in and start doing some research. When you go inside and have a look, you want to go in and sort all of these different lists of products out, and you want to sort them out by gravity. Higher gravity, the better. That means it's a product that's selling. Once you find you've got them sorted by gravity, all you have to do is just click on the product to check it out, and then you can start doing some insider research, okay? You getting all this? Now, this is really good. Once you're inside, step 3 is that you want to usually scroll to the bottom of the page and find a link somewhere on the page that says affiliates. Click on that, and that's going to take you inside, and here's where the real gold is. Once you're inside, last step here is that you just start doing some research inside the affiliate area, because generally what they're going to do is lay it all out. So you can see it literally says, here's what the funnel looks like, so it doesn't get any easier to do funnel research. Now, this guy's funnel is laid out from start to finish. He's got a whole lot of upsells and downsells in place, but his initial product starts off and you get $35.25 if you sell someone on his initial product. And from there, he takes over and offers them a multitude of stuff. So if they buy that initial product on the front end, you have the potential to make a whole lot of money just on this one single funnel. And there is tons and tons of products out there, thousands of products that are available on ClickBank. Now, as you search around more, you're going to find a lot of information in their affiliate area. Use this information. Like, it doesn't get any easier. Here they've laid out information about what demographics that they want to go after with this product, or that you should go after if you're going to promote their product for them. So if you're going to do any type of advertising, some type of Facebook ad, now you've got all that information to put in there as far as demographic information that's so key when you're doing Facebook ads. They've even got PPC keywords. Now what that means, if you're going to do some type of Google ad, you need to know about PPC. And here they've laid it all out, the exact keywords you should use if you want to set these ads up to succeed on Google. So they've done all the work for you, and you can find out all of this information about successful sales funnels. Now, the truth of the matter is that the sales funnel process works to sell anything, even if you don't have a product to sell when you're starting out. There's thousands of products out there, lots of options available, and it's not just ClickBank. There's lots of different affiliate networks that you can use. So there's no excuse if you don't have a product to get started. Okay, so I know I went through this really fast here, so I hope you're getting all of this. Is this making sense to you? You understand how this all works together? Hey there, thanks for watching part 1. I hope you enjoyed this. Keep your eyes open for parts 2 and 3 coming out here soon. And if you'd like even more, if you're a business owner or entrepreneur who wants to understand how funnels help your business bring in new leads and new customers, or you want to understand and learn how all the pieces of a sales funnel fit together once and for all, then I've got something really awesome for you. You can get access to my complete funnel school training course for free just by going to SeanBailey.com/funnel school special. I'll have a link pop up on the screen, or you can click just down below in the description, and that will take you over, and you can get 100% free access to this course. So here you can see this is actually a sneak peek inside of it here, just so I can give you a little look and let you know what you're going to get access to here. So we've got a brief intro. I'm going to walk you through exactly what's inside, what to expect from it here, and then we're going to go right into it here. So we're going to talk about the difference between sales funnels and websites, how to set up your funnel building tools, and then we're going to cover lead magnets, how to get people into your funnels. We're going to cover email marketing, what to do, what kind of message to send to them, how to do all that once they're inside your funnel. And after that, we've got our 3 funnel phases. We're going to be covering lead generation funnels, sales funnels, webinar funnels, and I'm also going to give you access to 2 special bonuses. One is my easy sales copy tool, and I'm even going to give you a demonstration so you can see how much copy you actually need just for your landing page, for your sales page, for your upsell. I'll show you how to I generate this stuff super fast with my easy sales copy tool, and like I said, I'll even give you a demonstration of it in action so you can see. And the last thing you're going to get is my funnel recon kit. This is a special video that I made for you. This is a bonus where you can see inside other people's funnels. This is basically how you scope out your competition and learn everything about their sales funnels in your niche or marketplace. Again, it's 100% free. All you got to do is click on the link on the screen or down in the description below, or go to SeanBailey.com/funnel school special. And I will see you inside.